No.
What the fuck is this shit doing?
Oh, 1, 2.
It's in the juice.
So random. I'm thinking 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 3, 6. And then 4, 5. Like they go like this. Yeah.
Alright, top of the morning. It's Garv back on a Friday. On Friday? It's Monday. Back on a Monday. So, hope you had a good weekend. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. But I am here, back, kicking it at school. Feeling pretty good. Yeah. So, we're here. Oh, tomorrow's the last day of the semester, so that means tomorrow is the final. And yeah, gotta lock in, try and get this little 85, 90 to keep my GPA above a 3.5, because if you keep it above a 3.5, you get to go to internship. So I'm definitely trying to do that. But yeah, we messing with this fuel injector tester right now, so I'm gonna get in tune with y'all. What the fuck is this?
This is the
1843657.
This is the pattern of the cylinders, how it goes on the V8. So it starts with 1, goes all the way to 8, then 4 and 3, then 6 and 5, then 7 and 2. Oh dear.
Think about this.
Oh, that's in a V8.
Think about this. 1 and 2 are on the same one.
Same
journal.
side. Yeah.
No, they're on the same journal.
Oh, journal.
White?
Something, right?
No, it's just not white.
So 1, 4 go up, 2, 3 come
Damn.
down. 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2. V8. That's your typical freaking firing order on a V8. Are they all that exact same firing order?
They can play 3 sports at once.
Depends on manufacturer.
Alright, so we out here in the yard. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sick and tired of doing these fuel pumps over and over and over again. So
But why are we doing this?
I'm not gonna do it. So
You gotta explain why we're doing
you know, you trying to make money in this bitch.
Nah, not money. It's because of Kuiper.
Oh,
It's because of Kuiper. Because the nigga's not under 5 minutes.
He did 40 minutes yesterday. It took him 8 today. The point is that he's still 3 minutes behind the last person in class.
This car, it's gonna blow the fuel line.
I was about to say, this nigga would have literally blew the fuel line, and a person would need a whole new fuel line.
He did that. He did that on Friday.
Right off, all the gas would have come right out.
Dealership. Word of advice. I ain't a hating ass nigga. I'm a hating ass nigga. Not hire this nigga. Pet boys, I got a new hire for you.
Ariana don't want him.
Ariana don't want him.
Ariana don't want him. What? I don't have a flashlight. Use your phone. Use your phone.
My hands are dirty.
Nigga, you. Well, what you gonna do when you at work and you need a flash? I'm not holding this flashlight for you.
Nigga, hold it first.
Bro, put it like this, Mud. You can figure something out.
I'm trying to see why you shit not doing
I'm not about to stand here and hold your phone for 10 hours, Muddy.
it. Just kept pissing me off.
There you go.
What do you need the hammer?
This car's nice, bro. Yeah, E36. Yeah, yo, my pops got one just like this. This shit is nice.
I take an E36 for this one. I tried
Joe.
Yo, Vic.
I've done this like 12 times, bro.
Hi, guys. Yo, Greg, I got it in 30 seconds.
Damn, try hard.
Nah, yeah, he took
Try
it.
hard.
Bro, he
This
took
is
out
not
in
difficult.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
It's not difficult.
It's not difficult. It really is.
Nah, it's not. Uh-oh, here comes this hungry ass nigga. Here comes this hungry ass nigga. Yo, CV seen food? Nigga seen food? He seen food? He said, I'm there.
The timer continues. Again, because of the red clip. And the thing wasn't tightened enough. Gregory stepped in to tighten it.
For the free?
For 3.
Oh.
Nigga said for the free.
I know, there's nothing.
That's a red velvet.
There's nothing free in life. Yo, shake the curls
By the
for
way,
the
Chris.
vlog, Sam.
Shake the. Oh.
The curls.
We're at 15:40.
Move, not you.
15:45.
The curls is luscious. The curls is luscious.
What are we at?
Oh,
Tastes like cake.
the curls is luscious.
Nah, not mine.
60 minutes?
Yo, Kyber, what are you doing?
I got everything correct. It's just this.
So put the red clip in.
Look what I'm doing. I'm putting it in like this. This shit's not fitting in. It's not like
I'll give you some light.
what the fuck?
Get the fucking clip in
Look, I'm trying to, bro. It's like it's not working.
Oh, hey, Garvell, I just finished.
already.
Yeah, I think like 3 minutes or something.
W. Joni.
Right.
Have a good day, Garvell.
You too, kind sir. Look, you need to get the fucking clip inside of. What's up? I was just pointing at what he should do. Oh, don't even do that. Oh, don't even do that. Oh, I can't even help
You
you.
need to understand something.
Uh huh.
First off, every time I have showed you guys how to do this,
Mm-hmm.
he hasn't been here.
I can't help you, Kyber.
And the reason he hasn't been here is the same lame excuse. I'm doing my modules. Do me a favor. Can you pull up your freaking computer and tell me what it says at the top of the category for modules?
It's still not done?
No.
Oh my God, man. Bro, what the fuck, Kyber? Bro, come on, son. Come on. Come on, bro. We can't eat till you finish. We can't eat, we can't sleep, we can't leave till you
The
finish.
shop advisor been told you the job is done. You 2 hours over.
Come on, bro.
Nah, not that I know. So we
That's why it's been here.
Yeah, so
Oh,
we gotta
really?
get him up out of here. Yeah, we gotta get him up out of here.
I don't know. I don't pay attention.
Look, that's the timer. 1 hour fuel pump. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen of the class, we have officially reached over an hour of a job he's done before.
Yeah, he's not pushing.
He did it faster when he cross-threaded.
Especially the people.
He had to phone a friend.
Still waiting.
He had the 1 hour fuel pump.
See, man, he can't push P.
Oh my God, bro, this shit not real.
He sucks at pushing P. Stewie, you good at pushing P?
This shit not real. What he said? He said Ayo.
He said not at all. Because he's not good at pushing pumps either.
Nah. We already know that.
Where did Gino go?
He's in the car, phoning a friend.
Phone in the friend.
An hour in, just quit.
Like this is Jeopardy.
He's holding the flashlight down.
That's his Albanian brother. He bent it.
But he broke it.
Yeah, type shit. He fucked the clip up. Woo! What the fuck?
Ladies and gentlemen of the class, if you needed more proof than that, the clip is now broken / bent. And this is the time that we're at. I ain't stopped the timer yet, but the job ain't done. Ladies and gentlemen,
One more day of this shit.
we still have to suffer with this motherfucker.
Kyber, you got one more day to get a good grade on your lab, bro.
Yo. A break job.
You know what this
Hey.
I know how to do this. Relax.
No, you don't.
It's not hard. Red. Go to the
And then this shit
No,
blows
no.
up.
Black. Go to the black.
I'm smarter than you.
Wait, just let him do it, please.
Wait, go to the other side, so. You wanna make sure, you know?
No, we don't want you to make sure.
We don't want you to make sure.
Yeah, you know that red clip for the fuel? I'll let you paint that shit.
All right, try it. Try it.
What's going on?
Brother, man.
Yo, hold on. You wanna start that again?
Start again?
Gregory, take that.
Start that again? Did somebody not plug something in?
I don't know. I didn't do fuel pump at all today. Alright. Yep. Yo, what you do? The red car won't start. What you do? The red car won't start. Wasn't me. They broke the red car.
Let me see the bait. Let me see the bait.
Kyber destroyed both cars. I didn't do shit. What the fuck could I? What? Hey, bro, I'm staying still. I'm.
I think he did something too. I don't
Get the fuck out of here. What's up with this guy? My fault. Alright, I got my book bag. Now let me see what the fuck. Cause if they think I'm staying past 1:30, they got me fucked up. Niggas is trying to say that the red shit won't start. I'm thinking I wanna hit a Alright, I'm about to take my dumb ass home. And if you watch this, Gregory, I'm sorry. I love you. But I'm not staying to help you fix that dumb shit that Kyber did. Like, bro, working after Kyber is bullshit. Cause he's always gonna fuck some shit up and then you gotta turn around and fix that shit. But yeah. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. Your boy Garv is out of here. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's finals, so I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna finesse a video for tomorrow. But on that note, I am out of here till tomorrow. Bye.